Hello friends, welcome back. Today in this video for the subject Basic Thermodynamics SY BTech Mechanical Unit 2, that is first law of thermodynamics, we are going to discuss application of first law to a process. Now in this application of first law to a process, let us consider a system. When a process is executed by a system, the change in stored energy of the system is numerically equal to the net heat interaction minus the net work interaction during the process. Again, see, we have already discussed, that is cyclic integral of dq is equal to the cyclic integral of dw. Now that subtraction of heat and work will give you a constant, that is the change in internal energy, a numerical equivalent, what we can say. Again, this is depend on the first law. So change in internal energy is the subtraction of heat minus the work. So in this equation also, E2 minus E1 is equal to Q minus W. Q is the heat, W is the work, and E2 minus E1 will give you the change in internal energy, that is delta E is equal to Q minus W. So the same equation can be written as Q is equal to delta E plus W. Now if you want to find out the net change in internal energy, we have to for a process, what we can say, again what is our aim for a process 1 to 2, process 1 to 2. Okay. So we have to integrate LHS and RHS. So integral 1 to 2 dq q minus w. So this is the RHS, and delta E will get converted into E2 minus E1. So that capital E, just we have discussed, that is the total internal energy or the net change in the internal energy. If the electric and magnetic or chemical energies are absent and the changes in potential and kinetic energy for a closed systems are neglected, the above equation can be written as. Now see, in this case we generally do consider it as a steady flow process. Now here we do not have to consider the interference of magnetic, chemical and electrical energies. So it can behave like a steady state, and the modified equation can be written as integral 1 to 2 dq d into bracket q minus w is equal to delta u, that is again change in internal energy u2 minus u1. See, again E2 minus E1 and U2 minus U1, see, it is the same, it is the energy and this is the internal energy change, because now see, stored internal energies can be a potential energy wherein it can get converted into a kinetic energy. So this equation becomes q minus w is equal to delta u, that is u2 minus u1. So that integral sign, again the limits are same, 1 to 2. Okay, here q minus w is for what? 1 to 2, process 1 to 2. Generally, when the heat is added to a system, its temperature rises and external work is performed due to increase in volume of the system. The rise in temperature is an indication of increase in internal energy. Heat added to the system will be considered as positive, whereas the heat removed or rejected from the system is considered as positive and negative. Now students, these are the books which you can refer. R.K. Rajput, the author, Engineering Thermodynamics. The title of the book, Lakshmi Publications Private Limited, 3rd edition. So this is a very good book for thermodynamics. The next book you can refer is Onkar Singh, Applied Thermodynamics, New Age International Publishers, 3rd edition. So, these are the books you can refer. Thank you friends. Thank you very much.